Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell notifications so you never miss an update. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic, Neko Online Jailbreak. To visit the page, you can simply search iOS 18.0.1 jailbreak nekojb.com. Then head into the first search result as follows. By entering the page, you can get more information about Neko Jailbreak. As you go to the bottom of the page, you will get a download button to Neko Online. Tap on the button. Once you tap on the download button, first it will download Cydia Jailbreak Pro, as Neko Jailbreak is hosted in that app store. Open the Cydia Jailbreak Pro and find the Neko Jailbreak tool. Select the tool and tap the install button at top right corner. Once you completed the installation process, open the Neko JB app in the home screen. Start the jailbreak. This will take some seconds. Now, you will see a new app in the home screen, Neko Util. This app will drive you to get the package managers as you wish. In this video, I will install Sileo 2. Sileo 2 is all about speed and performance. Next up, the design. Sileo 2 has a fresh, modern look with a sleeker interface that's even more user-friendly. It's minimalistic, easy to navigate, and focuses on giving you a better overall experience. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced user, finding tweaks in apps is now quicker and more intuitive than before. So, give it a try on your iOS 18.0.1 running iPhone as well. That's it for today's video, guys. I hope you found this helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and leave a comment below with your thoughts. Have you ever tried jailbreaking in Neko Online? Let me know in the comments. And as always, stay safe.